Second boon. Second boon is about the society now. What is the boon about the society? Now I will read it and then I will try to elaborate that. 12th mantra. Please read. Swarge loke na bhayam kinchana न तत्र त्वं न जरया बिभेति उभे तीर्त्वाशनाया पिपासे शोकातिगो मोदते स्वर्गलोके स्वर्गे लोके न भयं किंचनास्ति न तत्र त्वं न जरया बिभेति उभे तीर्त्वाशनाया पिपासे शोकातिगो मोदते स्वर्गलोके शोकातिगो मोदते स्वर्गलोके. There is a new topic coming. Second boon. What is the second boon? Second boon is about the Swarg. Swarg means heaven. Don't see heaven and hell all are here only. You have to say heaven and hell are here also. Don't say only. Only does heaven exist? Yes. How do you know? Go there first. So departed soul has gone to the heaven. If you want to really prove you are the heaven, please go there. How to go there? You do good actions, then you will go there in heaven. But committing suicide won't take you to the heaven. You will become ghost. Heaven will not be there. And please don't commit suicide in the ashram, because we don't want ghost here. So you can commit somewhere outside. Okay. Already there are some ghosts. So first thing you understand what is the meaning of heaven. What is the meaning of heaven? How the heaven exists, what is the proof? First is Shastra Pramanas. Gita, Mahabharata, Bhagavad, everywhere the description of heaven is there. I think in all the religions heaven is described. Even in the Christianity also heaven is there. Father of heaven bolte na. And the Muslims also there is there. Jannat is there. Jahannam means Jannat. If you go do this, then you will go to Jannat. So heaven is there. But what is the principle behind the heaven? Try to understand that principle. You know, lok word, Swarg lok word, the etymological meaning of lok is a technical word. Generally we translate as world. But in Sanskrit, lok word is lokyante, alokyante, bhujyante, karma phalani yasmin. Lok word means lokyante, alokyante, where they see, or bhujyante, where they enjoy. The various kind of fruits of action, that is called lok. Various kinds of fruits of action, various kind of experiences that is enjoyed, that is called lok. Every lok gives you various kinds of experiences. Bhujyante, alokyante, lokyante, alokyante, bhujyante, karma phalani, iti lokaha. Yasmin, in which there is a various kinds of fruits of action. You got my point? Like in this ashram only, this is satsang lok called Brahma lok. If you want to hear Vedanta, kitchen you won't hear Vedanta, because there is another every room is giving you some experience. Here the experience of knowledge is there. In kitchen the experience of eating is there. In your bedroom experience of sleeping is there. In the temple experience of puja is there. Or experience of what is it called, sadhana is there. Okay. There is no other. In the boardroom experience of meeting is there. Acha, haan. Similarly, if you want to see picture, you can't. This ashram is unfit for giving you some film. Hathi mere sathi, all this picture you can't see in the ashram. We don't have TV room. Deliberately, it has been avoided. No TV room is there. We have one projector here. कहाँ गया ये है? This projector is there. If anything has to be shown, something, then we can use this projector. That's it. But any spiritual activity, you can't have some film here. We can't show some film here. Ekta Tiger. All this film we cannot. This is not meant for that. You cannot see all these things here. This cannot supply you that experience. This cannot supply you. Bole in the ashram you don't have golf. No, I will take golf stick and hit you. That's the only thing. I will use as a ball and throw out. So this is not for golf. For the golf, there's a golf court, maybe there, race course. Race course, no? Golf court. Golf course is there. So you go there. There you will have experience of golf. There you can take one stick, keep on watching that stick. And take a white ball is there, small ball. And then you, if that hole is very close, sometimes holes are very close also. Then you do like that. Keep on wasting your time. Anyway, so this experience you can't have here. Neither you have the experience of playing cricket here. Sometime Bal Vihar children came, they started playing cricket in some camp. If this one window is broken, problem will be there. You cannot play sixer here. You have to go to the cricket field. That experience you can't have here. This ashram is not meant for that. Getting my point? There is a different alok can take only certain experience. Similarly, this experience of hearing Vedanta, you can't have in the macro. Neither you can have in the Bangladesh market. There is a particular particular place only gives you a certain experience. You can't have everything. And don't say that ashram had that. Don't use all this. That ashram has Swamiji, that ashram has tennis court. Okay, play there then. Don't use that. Only Raman Maharshi was cooking sambar every morning. So I also want first to become like him. People conveniently pick up that point which suits them and leave the other point. They use certain things. Similarly, there are fruits of action. Somebody has done so good fruit of action that this body cannot give him that fruit. Supposing he did. There are people who do Vishnu Sahasranam every day. One girl was there. 12 times she went to Kailash. 12 times from Delhi. Every year going to Kailash. Kailash going is quite tedious. You have to go there, do parikrama, face the cold, get sweating, get fever. And every year she goes. I was very happy that she goes every year. Then second question, I didn't ask myself, I asked somebody else. What you want? What you have prayed for Lord Shiva? She said, I want to become actress. Batao. No problem. Her body, her face was not meant to be actress. And it is late now, this birth. Actress's life is over in 35 years. They were short life. 35 years. After that, they do the role of mother. So after... Cricketers, actors. Cricketer also can't more than 35. Sachin lasted till first 40, I think. 41. But he was very good, therefore he lasted. These people don't last. So then I thought, I didn't say anything but break her heart. I said, now it is next birth. Either you will become, either the fruit of this parikrama that you did will be Swarga. Right? Because this body will not get. You have done so many good actions. And if you want enjoyment, because this body is, with lot of problems are there. Young, you are born with a pain. Childhood is with pain. Then you have to go to school is always painful. Teachers, etc. Personally, I never liked the teachers. All the time, do this homework, do this homework. Why you have not done the homework? Then you have to 10 subjects are there. You have to then tests are there. Assignment is there. Cutter putter goes on. And supposing you are weak in any subject, then you are humiliated in that subject also. Morning 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock, come back, study again, study. Everybody is only talking, study this, study this. Then you go for job. In between, hot, cold is also there. Then measles came up. Measles. Then your children, I think you must have measles. Children, as a child, you can have measles. It is important to have, otherwise it will come later on. So, measles came up. After that, Mataji, measles are called Mataji came up. Then measles came up. Then supposing you have angry father, mother, the hit also. If father, mother are angry, then regular servicing is done. So, for a small thing he gets very angry. It depends on how angry your mother, father may be. Scolding you get. So then you get little joy in between. You go to some marriage party, you have good food, you have marriage. Rarely marriages are very good. So supposing you get married, then this trouble is there. So ups and downs, joy, sorrow, mixed fruit you get here. Some things was very good, some things are not good, something was really bad. I had a bad experience. But some are very good experience. I really enjoyed. Then you get old. Old age itself is a problem. Because all pains are waiting. Calcium is less now. After you have crossed 30, calcium is less in the body. Then when calcium is less, new problems start. Osteoporosis start. Bones become brittle. So if you fall, so something breaks. So these things will start coming. You will not know. Many of you are young. I think those who have crossed that age, they will understand. Then acidity starts. Acidity starts. Then back pain. Only 1 inch can give hundreds of diseases of the body. Any part. Any part of the body, within 1-2 inch, there are hundreds of diseases. Stroke is there. Earlier we heard stroke is in the cricket only, but now, but here you get a stroke. You can just fall down. A stroke in a second you will just fall down. You just don't know. Abdul Kalam was there. He was giving a speech in India. On the podium he fell down and died. There is nothing there. Lot of problems are there. Some good things are also there. I'm not saying everything is bad. Some good experiences are also there. Some good bhog is also there. I enjoyed somebody's company. But food you cannot eat after a long time. You get bored. How long you will eat? 10 minutes, 15 minutes? You cannot eat. Bhagwan is very clever. In human body, sensual enjoyment are there. But for a short time, you get tired of it. It is not, you cannot prolong any enjoyment. You cannot prolong. It is one rule is there. You cannot have enjoyment for 10 hours. Animal keep up eating. They can keep on masticating their order. But human being cannot keep on eating the same routine. Because the tongue is a very typical thing. Tongue's two attempt is there. First to taste and second to dispose of fast. It wants to throw it. Tongue's nature is not to keep it in the mouth for a long time. Howsoever nice food it may be. So just some people eat pan also like that. Pan should be kept in the mouth. And you have to keep the pan here like that. Then there is a joy. But some people eat pan like biscuit. कटर 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 खत्म हो गया ऐसे नहीं खाते पान. So human body, human body is not, it can't give you lot of bhok. And if you enjoy it too much, you will be sick. Sukta kriyate rama bhog. It is not meant for enjoying too much. If you eat too many good things, too tasty things, if you eat, then you are gone. Cholesterol problem will be there. And which is not tasty, that alone is good for you. Okay, red meat, etc. They have a lot of cholesterol problems. So here you cannot have too much enjoyment because this is the result of mixed fruits of action. But somebody has done very good action, supposing. So when he goes, Yamraj calls his CA. His CA is Chitragupta. He says, Chitragupta, find out this person, where should he go? Very impressive. 10 years continuously he is coming Vishnu Sahasranam in the ashram. 10 years? Yes. Acha? So how many times Vishnu Sahasranam total he has done in his life? But every day he was doing. So I think it is coming to around 100,000 times. Oh my God. And he brought his own flowers also. So, some lazy people are there. They don't bring their flower. They borrow somebody else's flower. So that also. Acha, he was giving dakshina, etc. Not. Regularly he gave dakshina. As per his capacity he gave. More than his capacity he gave. Acha? Not 5 rand, 2 rand. He gave sufficient dakshina. Acha? Yes. He was not a conjuice person. He gave sufficiently. Acha, father, mother, he pressed the feet. Was he angry person? Never he spoke bad words. Temple he went? Yes. Badrinath 15 times. Kedarnath walking 20 times. What was his intention? Very good intention he kept. Everywhere he had a very good attitude. What he wants? No, he had his FDs ready now. What he wants? Very luxurious life he wanted. Give to heaven. Go to heaven. Send him to heaven. Why? Why not you, human being? He will get a body which will have little bit pains, etc. He has to go to school. There is no Swarg, school is not there. There is no school in Swarg. No university in Swarg. And there are no doctors also. No medical school, no pharmacy, and no hospital. It is not that Swarg, there is one doctor, Dr. Heaven Kumar. It's not like that. So there is nobody in the heaven. Neither there in any hospital there. What he wanted exactly? Chitragupta ji, what he wanted? What kind of luxuries he wants? He wanted a very good wife, serving wife, beautiful wife. This bird's life was opposite of that. Okay. What else he wants? He wants very quiet environment. Nandanvan give him. To enjoy a body, then Swarg has a definite body, which will not be made of this decomposing, won't be there. This body is not there in Swarg now. You got my point? If supposing thus such a lok does not exist, problem will be you do an action, but there is no system is inadequate to fulfill your desire. Because this cannot be fulfilled here. Child will be born crying. There is nothing called Swarg, there is a delivery. Maternity home is not there. Only this Devata is born. So Brahaspati ji was first small, then he grew up. He was young Brahaspati. And now he is the old Brahaspati. Or young Indra is there. Indra is now in teenage. You can't say like that. You don't have such kind of system there. So there is one lok called Swarg lok, which is going to give you that fruit which is not possible to give you in this particular lok. Like eating is not possible here, film is not possible here, this particular lok. This is small lok is there. This is satsang lok is there. And in your house, this satsang is not possible. Therefore, you have to come here. in your house, you can't have this satsang like you are having here. So that lok, house lok cannot be possible in ashram. Ashram lok is not possible in the house. Office lok is not possible in the ashram. You can't run an office in the ashram like that. Similarly, that Swarg lok is not possible. Where? Where? In Martyalok, human body. And therefore, there is something called Swarg. This is known by Paroksh Praman. This is not known by Pratyaksh Praman. This is known by which Praman Swarg is lok? Swarg is known by which Praman? Huh? First, which is the first Praman? Shabd Praman. Shabd Praman. Vedas say that. Then second is Arthapatti Praman. If somebody has done very good action, he should get something good. It's natural. He should get something good. He should not be coming here and suffering in this human body. My human body is full of suffering. Full of suffering, full of suffering. Lot of problems are there. So therefore, here Nachiketa is saying, what he's saying, Swarge loke na bhayam kinchanasti. There is no fear in Swarglok. Fear क्यों होगा भाई? There is no disease. There is no insecurity. There is no police station in Swarglok. There is no military. There is no robber in Swarglok. No hijacking in Swarglok. There is no fear. There is no loss of job in Swarglok. कुछ है ही नहीं वहां पे, बड़ा अच्छा है, वेरी नाइस. And then he says, Na tatra tvam, you are also not. This is like a naughty statement. It appears he is a little naughty also. Naughty boy. You are also not there. Because here only you run everything. कभी उनको मार दिया, कभी उनको मार दिया, उनकी डेथ हो गई, उनकी डेथ. There is not, you are not there. यमराज must have thought, अरे न तत्र त्वम, you are also not there in Swarglok. Jaraya, there is no old age. Old age is a terrible age. My God, old age, why Prabha? Because all organs inside have got old. Kidney has gone old, liver has gone old, stomach has gone old. Acha, so they are all tired of working. Heart says, how long I'll pump? Kidney says, how long I'll filter? Ab khatam karo, I just want to rest forever. Getting up is a problem, sitting is a problem. In old age, new diseases are there. Achha, teeth is not there. Seeing is a problem. Doctor says we cannot operate now. It is not. You are too old to get operated. Healing won't be there. Na tatra tvam na jaraya bibheti. There is no fear also. Ubhe tirtva ashanaya pipase. Having crossed Ashanaya means, eating and drinking. Crossing, it doesn't mean there is no eating and drinking in Swarglok. If eating and drinking is not there, there is no purpose of going there. Human beings, big joy is in eating. Big money is in this eating, industries are there. Big money is there. Hundreds of things are, if you just go for cookies, hundreds of kinds of cookies. 100 million kinds of cakes are there. Cakes. Hot cake. Why do you say hot cake? Anyway. Ubhe tirtva ashanaya pipase. That means he will never be hungry there. Meaning is this. Immediately hunger will be satiated. Rambha, Urvashi, they will be standing with that. They are all the time standing and trying to, offer you something. Before you don't have to ask, they're already plate is already there in front of you. Nice food is there. You don't have to see the menu card and then it will be coming. You desire and she's ready with that. Who serves also important. If somebody is not, dirty, if it's hurts, you don't feel like it. Or somebody is shouting, he's not good. Somebody should be good in serving also. So they come and serve. In a nice, good plates are there, golden plates. Not the polystyrene plate. So, Ubhe tirtha ashnaya pipase. Shokatigo modate swargaloke. A person revels in swargaloka. He's beyond all the shok. One more point has. Small point is there that will make it more clear. This I always say. Everybody has a thought. And when you do something, there is a joy. You do for somebody's joy. When you do something, you do for somebody's joy. It can be joy for my ego, joy for my father, mother. That person's joy for whom you are doing, that decides the pervasiveness of your thought. फिर से बोले, if you are doing for one person, so your thought is this pervasive, suppose. I thought, no, let me feed 10 people. So joy is this pervasive. If I say every day I will give food to 100 people, the thought is bigger pervasiveness. Supposing you feed one person, your father or mother, and you think that he is like my God, bas, thought has become very pervasive. I hope you are getting. So there is a pervasiveness of the thought there in the mind. People say also he's a very broad-minded person. They say he has a very rich heart, very big heart. And supposing somebody is killing somebody or hitting somebody, you can imagine that his thought is very small. In that, joy is not reflected. Sorrow is not reflected. Now, this pervasiveness of the thought, please catch this point, it is a very good point. This pervasiveness of the thought converts into area of your authority in the next birth. Pervasiveness of your thought converts into area of authority. That means because you had a very bigger thought, you wanted to feed 100 people every day, you will be born in such an environment where hundreds will like to feed you in that manner also. You will be in very bigger area will be there, king will be there. King has a very bigger area of authority. Like everybody has area of authority. Like at least you can say, this is my room, I can do anything here. This is my house. How big is your house will decide how much you can do that. I can easily roam in the ashram. I cannot roam easily in that house. They have dogs also. So your thought converts into area of authority. And if somebody has not given joy, his thought was very narrow and very small. If thought was very narrow and very small, what is the result? Result is he will be born somewhere where he will have no authority. Beggar is there. Shacks are there. He is not able to do anything. He has no authority. 5 people living in one shack. 10 people living in small. There is no office. Somebody who had very big heart on certain issues, where he had the thought of giving joy to God or to people or to father, mother or to ordinary person. He is born in that particular realm, look, where he will enjoy back everything. That is called Swarga. It's not an accident somebody is lying on the footpath. He has no place but to sleep on the footpath. You can't say, his fate is bad only. Poor person. His fate is bad, there is a reason why this fate has become bad. Fate has become bad because of that small thought which he must have entertained gave him this much authority only. And therefore your authority towards people, place, everything is depending on your pervasiveness of the thought in the last birth. And how big anybody's thought can be, you cannot imagine that. He is identified to a very big country is there. A soldier is there, you always give the example of a soldier who is leaving his family and fighting towards the enemy. And in his mind there's a thought of the country, let nobody attack the country. They are in Siachen Glacier is there. India there is a place called Siachen Glacier. Temperature is minus 40 degree. 800 people have passed away there, soldiers I mean. To wash hand you have to boil the water. Kerosene is used there. But in this soldier's mind only the thought of country is there, because that is a very strategic point. Tallest place, highest place. Terrible cold. And supposing the attack starts there, because there is a top point, from there they can see everything all around. If that is lost, India will be under threat then. Then enemies will come there and they can see everything, and it is very easy to attack from the top then. Difficult to attack from the bottom to top. Easy from top, because you can exactly see who is where. So we lost 800 soldiers since last 25-30 years. Terrible cold, but this soldier goes there, leaving everybody. And in his thought only country is there. This is how they are trained. There I was telling, when they take out their shirt, there is a thin film of ice there. To cut, the ice comes between their body and the shirt. So much cold is there. If this person passes away, in his mind there is a big thought of country. No family, no child, no money. And with this passing away, he will be born as some king somewhere, or he will go to heaven. Hato va prapsyasi swargam jitva bha bhokshase mahim. Arjun, if you are killed, you will go to heaven, Bhagavan says in second chapter. So don't think that there is nothing like that. This is the logic for Swarga. If I am identified to very small thing, this much joy only I have given, you will have this much, very small authority will be there. You will have hardly any person whom you can assert, do this and he will say, who am I to do for you? There is no, because my thought was very small. I will not do anything for you. Who are you to? But Prime Minister says or President says of any country, hundreds of people will be following. King says it's an order. Swarg is such a big realm where this thought of enjoyment that you thought I will feed 100 people for 30 years. So this thought of joy that you are giving constantly, thought of joy, it all got collected in some bank of Swarg. All thought got collected. How much thought? 100, this thought of joy of 100 people multiplied by 365 days, multiplied by 30 years. All the big thought bank is collected of joy. Now it has to come to that person. They found it cannot come. There is so much of thought of joy in his bank. It cannot be given in this human birth because here sorrow is also there. Only to give thought of joy, I think he has to go to the heaven. Then that will come through Apsara, that will come through his body, that will come through his dance, entertainment program is there. That will come through his diseaseless body, fearless body. No mosquitoes are there in Swarg, neither rat is there, neither cockroach is there. Neither ulcer problem is there. Because you have to get a thought of joy back. And therefore he is saying there is no problem in the Swarglok. Now Nachiketa is going to ask this question, how to attain that Swarglok? Second question. Please note, he is not asking for himself. This is asking for the society. First was from the house. What he will ask initially will come back to it. You will see it later on. But understand why Swarg should be there. And why hell should be there. I killed 40 people. Wow. Serial killer I was. Supposing somebody is there. He created a lot of thought of pain. His pain bank has increased now. 100 people he gave terrible pain in his life. Now human being body cannot give so much of pain because if you beat somebody too much, he will faint. If he is starved, he will faint. To go to hell now. There this thought of pain will be given through some nice oil where he will be put and he won't die. A special body is given called Yatna Deh. Or he will be beaten. Or he was associated with somebody extramarital affairs. So there is one big burning iron pillar is there. Iron pillar. Burning iron pillar. He said, you are very fond of embracing, now embrace this. And he is tied to that. You read all these things. Garud Purana is there, Bhagavad Purana is there, Mahabharata, lot of places is there. So the thought of pain that you created, now it is coming back. So much thought of pain you created. So your sin was so much, I think it cannot be given in the human body. Therefore you need a Narak Lok for that. And therefore Swarg and Narak does exist, my dear. If it won't exist, you cannot get the fruit. It is incomplete system will be there. That means God is not all powerful. Omnisciency of the God will be questioned. Omnipotency of the God. This is the logic behind Swarg and Narak. So two ways I first through Karma Phal I told, then the pervasiveness of thought and less pervasive thought, and third by the thought angle, only thought. So you are creating a thought bank. Nachiketa is saying, supposing I want to get the Swarg, what upasana shall I do? What sadhana shall I do so that I can get the heaven? Please tell me in detail. This will be his next question, which we will see in our next class. Hari Om Tat Sat.